Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motherboards for the Ryzen 5 5600G that are available on the market for their performance, features, and overall value. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0. This motherboard is a solid option for those on a budget who still want compatibility with Ryzen 2000 through 5000 processors. Featuring a compact micro-ATX design, it's perfect for builds where space is a concern. While it doesn't come with premium bells and whistles like Wi-Fi 6 or PCIe 4.0, it does offer decent connectivity with SATA 6 GB per second ports, an M.2 slot for NVMe SSDs, and multiple display outputs including HDMI, DVI-D, and D-Sub. The ASRock B450M-HDV is lightweight at just 1.68 pounds, but its build quality is solid for the price. It's equipped with a 6-phase power design, which is decent for mid-range performance, though it might not hold up well under heavy overclocking. The onboard Realtek ALC887 audio codec supports 7.1-channel audio, so you get respectable sound quality for casual gaming or media consumption. In terms of performance, this board is a reliable option for everyday users who want to pair it with a Ryzen 5 5600G for light gaming or productivity tasks. However, the lack of PCIe 4.0 may be limiting for future-proofing, and the maximum memory clock speed of 3200 MHz is lower than some competitors. If you're building a budget-friendly system and don't need cutting-edge features, this is a great choice. Pros: affordable price, compact design, and decent connectivity. Cons: no PCIe 4.0, limited overclocking capabilities, and fewer premium features. At number 4, we have the MSI A520M-A PRO gaming motherboard, a truly budget-friendly option priced at just $69.99. This motherboard supports Ryzen 5000 processors, so it's perfectly compatible with the Ryzen 5 5600G. It also features Turbo M.2 for fast NVMe SSDs, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and support for DDR4 memory up to 4600 MHz, overclocked. For those building a system with minimal investment, this motherboard ticks the right boxes. The design is clean and functional, with a micro-ATX form factor that fits well in smaller cases. MSI's build quality is evident here, with Audio Boost providing decent sound output for a motherboard at this price point. It also comes with MSI's Dragon Center software, which allows for easy customization of settings, including fan speeds and system monitoring. Performance-wise, the A520 chipset may not offer the advanced features of the higher-end B550 or X570 chipsets, like PCIe 4.0, but it's perfectly fine for most users. This board is ideal for entry-level gaming builds or home office setups. However, the limited expansion options and absence of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth may deter some users. Pros: super affordable price, decent memory support, and compact design. Cons: no PCIe 4.0, limited connectivity options, and basic thermal solutions. Coming in at number 3 is the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WiFi6 motherboard. This board is a step up from the budget options, offering PCIe 4.0 support, 2 M.2 slots, and integrated Wi-Fi 6. These features make it a great choice for gamers and content creators who want a future-proof system without breaking the bank. It also includes a 10+3-phase VRM design for stable power delivery, which is a notable improvement over budget boards. The ATX form factor provides plenty of room for expansion, and the enlarged VRM heatsinks ensure better thermal performance during demanding tasks. GIGABYTE has also included its Easy Latch feature, which simplifies GPU installation and removal, a small but handy addition for DIY PC builders. For under $90, this motherboard punches above its weight. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and PCIe 4.0 means you can pair it with high-speed peripherals and enjoy faster wireless connectivity. However, the lack of premium audio solutions and only 1 gigabit ELAN might leave some enthusiasts wanting more. Pros: PCIe 4.0 support, integrated Wi-Fi 6, and great thermal design. Cons: basic audio codec and no 2.5 gigabit ELAN. At number 2, we have the MSI PRO B550M-VC WiFi Pro Series motherboard. This motherboard offers a great balance of price and performance, making it a standout option for Ryzen 5 5600G users. With support for PCIe 4.0, DDR4 memory up to 4400 MHz overclocked, and Lightning Gen 4x4 M2 with M2 Shield Frozer, it's built for speed and efficiency. The design is sleek and professional, with a robust thermal solution that includes a 7 watt per meter squared choke thermal pad and additional M2 shields to prevent overheating. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures excellent wireless connectivity, while USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports provide fast data transfer speeds. It's also highly durable thanks to its 2-ounce thickened copper PCB and Core Boost technology. This motherboard is perfect for gamers, content creators, and power users who want reliable performance and modern features. However, it lacks some of the more premium audio features found on higher-end boards. Pros: PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 6E, and excellent thermal design. Cons: limited premium audio features and slightly higher price for its class. Finally, at the top spot, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G desktop processor with Radeon graphics. Now, while this is technically not a motherboard, it's the centerpiece of any Ryzen 5 5600G build and is worth mentioning in this context. With 6 cores and 12 threads, a 4.4 GHz max boost clock, and integrated Radeon graphics, this processor offers incredible value for gamers and system builders alike. The Ryzen 5 5600G is built on AMD's advanced 7nm architecture, delivering exceptional performance and efficiency. The integrated Radeon graphics are powerful enough to handle popular games at 1080p without the need for a dedicated GPU, making it an excellent choice for budget gaming builds. It also comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, which is quiet and effective for stock performance. For those pairing this processor with a motherboard, any of the boards in this list would be a good match, but it truly shines with PCIe 4.0 support and high-speed memory. Pros: excellent performance, integrated graphics, and great value. Cons: integrated graphics may struggle with more demanding titles, and overclocking is limited with the stock cooler. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.